Hey guys, welcome back. Today's going to be an unboxing. So this is going to be a Boxycharm unboxing. This is the first time that I've received Boxycharm. I've tried out some other like makeup subscriptions. I used to get Ipsy, but I canceled that a while ago just because for me it was too many like sample-sized products. I wanted something that I could get full-size makeup products every month. So I decided to try this out, and I used to get the Beautycon box that was like once every 3 months, I think, but they stopped doing that, which I was really disappointed with, so I wanted to find something else. So I am very excited to see what's in here, so let's just jump right in. Okay, so this is the box. It is pretty tiny, so I'm guessing this is the theme. It says Rock 2018. Okay, so this, on the back of this, is everything that's in here, it looks like. So let's just put that to the side. See, this is why I was really excited about this, because all full-sized products. So the first thing I see is by IT Cosmetics. It's a brow powder, and this says it's a universal taupe. Okay, so that's what it looks like. And then the other end has a little spoolie brush, which I really like. So I'm excited to try this to see if it actually is universal, see if it'll work. So that should be interesting to see. Next we have this Luminizer Primer by Dr. Brandt. I think I have another primer by Dr. Brandt, which I really love. So I'm excited to give this one a go. Okay, then this is a hydrating lip plumper, and it's in the color Lust Red by Grand Lips. Never heard of this brand before, but ooh. Oh, okay. So, oh, this is like a silicone like applicator. I mean, the color looks beautiful, so excited to try this out. Ooh, this looks like an eyeshadow palette. Yup. Okay, so this is an eyeshadow palette by Crown, and I have some Crown brushes, which I really love. And this palette, it's called Glam Metals. I really love the packaging. Oh, one of the eyeshadows is broken. Okay. I don't think I'm going to be able to really show you what it looks like just because one of them is broken, but I'll try to hold it up. I mean, the colors, oh, yep, it's falling. The colors are beautiful. It's just that one color that's broken. But, I mean, the rest of the colors are super pretty. It looks like they are all, like, shimmer, except the black one. So very excited about that. And the last thing that's in here is by Pure, and this is a cheek palette. So again, this packaging is super pretty. I was wondering why it's not opening. It's because there's tape on it. Okay, so I'm guessing these are all highlighters because they are very like shimmery. Let's just make sure. Well, it says bronze and brighten, but I mean, I personally would not use like a shimmery bronzer. I would use that more as like a highlighter. Ooh, that is pigmented. Oh my god. Wow. That's literally all just like one swipe. That is crazy. Wow. Oh my god, those are so pigmented. That's insane. So I cannot wait to try this out. I'm excited about everything in this box. Like, these palettes are beautiful. The only thing that got me disappointed was the one broken eyeshadow in here, but it's okay. Everything else was fine, so I can live with it. I am very pleasantly surprised, and I am very happy that I decided to try this out. So I'm going to try to do these Boxycharm unboxings every month, and I will leave their website down below if you guys want to try. I think it is $21.95 a month. So I mean, you're getting 5 full-size products, which I think $20 for all this stuff is definitely a good deal. So I cannot wait to get more boxes and just try everything. So that is that. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time.